You're standing there, confused, and suddenly you hear, "You're under arrest." No explanation, no warning, just handcuffs and a serious tone. Your mind starts racing. What did I do? Is this even legal? Now here's the real question. What should you do in that exact moment? In that moment, most people panic. They start talking. They start explaining. They try to defend themselves immediately because it feels natural. If I explain everything, they'll understand. But here's the truth. This is where most people make their biggest mistake. Because in a high-stress moment, your brain reaches for anything that feels like control. Talking feels like control, but legally, it can do the opposite. One word too many, one detail out of order, and suddenly you are building a case against yourself. The smartest move is about to feel unnatural, but it's exactly what protects your future. In the United States, you have a fundamental right, the right to remain silent. This comes from your constitutional protections. And it exists for one reason, to protect you from saying something that can be used against you. Because anything you say can and will be used against you, even if you're innocent, even if you're trying to help. Your words can be misunderstood or used out of context. Miranda rights exist to inform you of these protections when you're in custody and questioned. You do not have to answer questions. You can request an attorney before any questioning. Silence cannot be used to prove guilt once you invoke your rights. Clarity now prevents confusion later. Let the process play out. Protect your position. Because once you understand your rights, you can use them. Now imagine this. You start explaining everything, trying to prove your innocence, but in the process, you say something slightly wrong or something unclear, and suddenly, that becomes evidence, because once you say it, you can't take it back. This is microtension. Small slips, big consequences. The solution is simple, but it takes discipline. And here's what most people don't understand. Police are trained to ask questions in a way that gets you to talk. They may seem friendly. They may say, "Just explain your side." But remember, their job is to gather information, and your job is to protect yourself. That protection starts with silence and clarity. So, what should you actually do? Stay calm, don't resist, and most importantly, say this clearly. I am invoking my right to remain silent. I want to speak to a lawyer. Then stop talking. No explanations, no extra words, just silence. In moments like this, talking feels natural, but silence is what protects you. Because in real life, the smartest move is knowing when not to speak.